we're just having a conversation on this channel. Hi, today we're going to talk about our fear of being mediocre. It's like all of us are mediocre, all of us are average, some below average, some above average, some just average, and yet we're so afraid of coming out and accepting the fact that yes, we might be average, we might be below average even, and that there are some skills that we're not good at, and there are some skills that we might fail miserably at, and we're just not comfortable in accepting the fact that we are average. Although you, me, and I can say this for everybody who's watching this video, you are average, absolutely average. हवा में उड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, पहले तो नीचे आ जाओ. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to talk to you like that, but seriously, if anybody is feeling like they can't do something or they cannot go out and put their talent on display just because it's not good enough, then you need to rethink your perspective and your perception of yourself, because there are a lot of things in this life that we're capable of doing, right? Whatever you think that you imagine can be done, they're being done by humans, they're being performed by humans. There are humans who are doing the tasks that you love. All the celebrities that we look up to are humans. All the businessmen that we look up to are humans, and they started their journey at some point, and we are going to start a journey at some point, and we are going to suck at it when we start. That's just how it's going to be. When I bought a ukulele for myself, I just imagined myself playing in my Instagram live and it's hearts are yahan se, and everybody's like wow. I mean, whenever we start doing a task, whenever we think that we want to do a task, there's some level of validation, appreciation, some level of virtual hugs that we expect from people, that we expect that people are gonna give us, that we expect that they're gonna be there, they're gonna be waiting for us, people are gonna push, people are gonna cheer for us, and we try. Maybe that's the reason why some people start to make themselves feel better, to have something productive to do during the day. Some people start to make money out of it. There can be a lot of reasons why we start something, but if we stop doing something because we're not good at it, because at the end of 2 weeks we cannot give a live concert, then that's the mentality that I'm talking about. The level of high expectations that we have from ourselves, the level of expectations where we discard our opinions and we discard our abilities to do something if we cannot do it well by the end of 2 weeks of starting it. Does that make sense? No, not what I'm saying. Of course, what I'm saying makes sense. But the fact that you expect so much of yourself, why cannot we allow ourselves a breather, a space to breathe, a space to fail, a space to make a fool out of ourselves? Like, there should be some public clap for everybody who fails at something, or who's not good at something, because we're trying. There are things that we do not let ourselves try because we think that people might judge us, that people might not accept us, that it's not something that we the people, na. Like, if we judge somebody for doing something, or if we judge somebody for coming out with their opinions, with their originality, with something that they possess, with something that they want to learn, we think that people would laugh at us. But the very people who are laughing at us are not doing us any harm. Matlab, agar tum kuch kar rahe ho, and if I go like, hey, you did a shitty job, there's nothing that I could do to you. I couldn't harm you. I couldn't, hurt you physically. I might have hurt your perception of yourself, but if you realize the fact that I cannot change your perception of yourself until you decide that you want to change your perception of yourself, I can't really do anything to hurt you. I cannot physically hurt you. I can just laugh at you and thereby reflect my lack of appreciation for myself, because had I had some appreciation for myself, or if I had spent some effort into doing something, or if I had spent some days, hours, sweat, blood, whatever into doing something, I would realize that how painful it is to go through a journey where you are trying to polish a skill, or you are trying to inculcate a habit. it takes 21 days to inculcate a habit, and we're laughing at ourselves by the end of 2 weeks that we're not able to do it. It's a lot of expectation from an inconsequential piece of carbon. Let yourself go. If there's something that you wanted to try, if there's something that you wanted to do, if there's something that you wanted to put yourself through but you didn't because you thought that people would judge you, please take this video as a signal to go out to do whatever you want to do. Because if you look at it, if I come here and make this video and if you do not like that video, it does not affect me, it does not affect my health. But maybe by judging me negatively, by thinking that I am making a fool out of myself, which even if I am, I don't mind. But if you think that I am making a fool out of myself, you are not hurting me, but you are hurting yourself. मतलब अगर हम किसी को नीचे खींच रहे हैं तो they're not coming down, but we're literally hampering our own growth. हम खुद को ही ऊपर नहीं जाने दे रहे क्योंकि हमें लग रहा है, क्योंकि हम लोगों पे हंस रहे हैं तो हमें लगता है कि लोग लोगों पे भी हंस रहे हैं. I don't know if you still think that way. I don't know if you still believe that there's somebody out there who cares what you do, because nobody really does. And if there's something that you wanted to try, and if there's something that you wanted to do but you haven't allowed yourself to do it, please go out and do it, because you are going to be average at it, you are going to suck, you are going to be mediocre. And just start with that expectation कि भाई 2 हफ्ते के एंड पे तो शायद मुझे यूकेलेले पकड़ना भी नहीं आएगा, और अगर मैं उसको ऐसे पकड़ पा रही हूँ and it does not look like a sitar when I'm holding it, or you know, I'm not sitting like this with my knee like that, or I'm able to hold it properly, maybe even tune it at the end of 2 weeks, then I'd call myself a success. And you'd realize when you keep your expectations realistic, you'd end up surprising yourself. क्योंकि ठीक है यार, इतना तो I'm not saying expect, but don't you think that you'd be able to just learn how to hold it by the end of 2 weeks. Even if you don't, it's not a problem, but think about it. मतलब इतनी तो expectation लेके चलो कि at least it's not weird. We start with such high goals and such high expectations, and as the reality does not meet our vision, and which it will not, because the idea of having big dreams is to be able to someday be able to achieve it, not to be able to start and reach. When we undertake a journey that we know is going to be 1 crore kilometers, we do not feel dejected on the 6th day or on the 14th day of not having reached our destination. We might just laugh कि भाई किलोमीटर तो देख ले कितने हैं. So I know this is a very informal video, and I know that I just started talking about a topic and I just went on and on and on, but I hope you get why I'm making this video and my point behind it. It's not to motivate you. It's not my job to motivate, or not, neither do I think that I'm good at it. I'm just here to tell you that if you were thinking that anybody cares what you do, we don't. If you were thinking that there's even one person out there who has enough time to laugh at you and make fun of you because you decided to do something with your one life, with this one attempt at a journey that you have, then trust me, nobody cares. Nobody cares. You have one life, one journey, and if you're not allowing yourself to do the things that you want to do, then I think you doing yourself and the society a great disservice. Like, I've spent my entire life sitting in a corner being shy, thinking that everybody was judging everything that I do, everything was revolving around me, that everybody was looking at how I eat, how I sit, how I talk, and I don't know where that came from, but I just had this internalized belief that if I fuck up, then probably there are going to be a million people who are gonna laugh at me. But then when I actually came out and made an entire fool of myself on purpose, like I just thought that besti karani, and I came out and everybody was so supportive. Even till date, people ask me for screen recordings of my videos so that they can share it, and it means the world to me that somebody took the time and took the effort to come out and, you know, help me promote my channel or help me make my voice a little louder. And these are the people who I thought would judge me. Matlab, there is so much kindness in this world and there is so much acceptance in this world if only we choose to look at it that way. If only we choose to accept the fact that yes, we are average, everybody is average. Okay, we might be below average, we might completely suck at a task, but that's only till we know how to do it. It's not about, I think I'm saying this for the millionth time in this video, but it's not about getting it right in the first go. It's about getting it wrong 100 times and then probably maybe getting it right on the 101th time or 101st time, and then rejoicing in that moment that you made it, then probably upping your level. And you will up your level the moment you learn something, only you wouldn't realize. हम खुद के लिए जो गोल सेट करते हैं वो इतने दूर होते हैं कि हम रोज की विक्ट्रीज कैलकुलेट ही नहीं करते हैं. So I hope after watching this videos you're gonna congratulate yourself on the little victories that you make every day, the little things that you learn every day, the little compliments that you get every day, and that you'd set better expectations and that you'd please go do the task that you've been wanting to do all this while. And I hope my words made sense to you. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing. It means the world to me, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, if there are any requests or if there's anything you want to ask me or anything you want to hear me talk about, please let me know in the comment section and I'd be glad to talk to you. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.